Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix packet burst on MW3 Steam and Battle.net. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Steam account. In the search bar, type the game you're looking for. Let's say it's MW3. Find the game in the search results and click on it to open its page. If you're encountering issues or need to refresh the game page, you can do so by clicking on the game and entering the date of your account restoration if prompted. On the game page, click on the View Page option to see all the relevant details and instructions on how to resolve any issues you're experiencing. Make sure your internet connection is stable, as connectivity problems often cause errors. Check your internet settings to ensure your connection is working correctly. If the problem persists, try restarting your PC by clicking on the Start button and selecting Restart. So that's basically how you can fix packet burst on MW3 Steam and Battle.net. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.